In this video, we're going to learn how to create a new page within the Brooklyn College content management system. And so new pages are always child pages in the hierarchy of the page that you're looking at. So for example, here we're looking at the faculty page. We want to create a page that's a child underneath faculty equal to all of these other child pages that already exist, equal to writing across curriculum, faculty book authors, etc. And so to do this, we want to open the subpage content where we can access the right side navigation. At the top of the page, we'll see a number of red dots. And for every child page, we want to add and remove a secondary page. In special cases, when you're at the top level of an administrative office or an academic department, we would want to choose primary pages, but the vast majority of pages will be secondary pages. And so I'm going to click the red dot and kind of go through a two-step or a two-part workflow. I want to first create and connect the base portion of the template, which is the consistent header-footer wrapper for every page. The list of templates is in alphabetical order, and so I want to choose the first one that's a B, which is just base. So I click base, and here's where I want to edit the headline, and this is the text that will show in the right side navigation. So if I want to choose faculty resources as my example headline, type that in and click OK. The page will refresh, and as you'll see, faculty resources will present itself at the top of the list. To continue with the page creation, I'm just going to click on faculty resources. So this is the base by itself, and it may look a little strange, but that's only because we haven't connected any content. To finish the base, we want to open the base with the red dot, and we want to select with the right mouse button, Edit Properties from the contextual menu, and we want to add a file name. File names are the last part of the URL of the page. And so, for example, for the main faculty page, the URL is faculty. And so here, maybe we would choose resources, and we want to add the extension .php to the end of the page. So the file name for any page should be related to the headline, but we don't want to have any spaces, no capital letters, no strange or weird characters, something short and relevant, but also unique to all of the child pages in the site area that we're creating pages. So it's always good to look and see what's already existing, understand what the context is, and make a good choice for the file name. Once completed, we just want to click OK. The base will refresh, and the base is complete. However, I don't want to submit to workflow the base yet, because that will make only the base available to be published, and we don't have any content yet. So the second part of creating a full page is actually connecting the content. So I want to click on that red dot next. And again, we want to create and connect page because we're going to look for another template titled subpage. And so I'm going to scroll down, and that's in the S part. Again, this is alphabetical. So we just want subpage. And again, here, I'm going to type in the same title, but then add the word content. Click OK. The headline of the subpage doesn't show, and so it's OK to add that word content. And as you can see, the page is basically full, and in essence, we're back to existing content. I can add my page title. Page will refresh, and you can see how the page title shows, and it also shows in the breadcrumbs. You can obviously add text content as you need. When you're finished with the page, and I'm going to close the subpage just so we can see, there's no right side navigation showing on a new page. This is something that only an admin can do. And so when you're finished creating a page that's new, navigate to the web services request form, and we want to choose Add New Content and describe the page that we've created.